Do you know what to do if your phone has been hacked? Our phones contain tons of valuable and sensitive information, like our contacts and messages, credit cards, and banking details. Hi, I'm Iris. In this video, I'll show you how to tell if hackers have gotten into your phone and what to do about it. Once inside your phone, hackers can send spam to your contacts, discover passwords, and steal money, or even your whole identity. If you notice things like increased data usage, poor phone performance, your battery draining quickly, or your phone feeling hot, it could mean that your phone has been hacked. Now on their own, those could also just be the effects of normal phone usage, so you'll need to check for other suspicious activity to be sure a hacker is to blame. If your phone is acting strangely, like someone else is controlling it remotely, that's a dead giveaway that your phone has probably been hacked. If your phone makes calls or delivers text that you didn't personally send, someone may be using your number and posing as you. Same goes for strange, unfamiliar activity on your social media and email accounts. If you see communications that weren't posted by you, that could mean your phone or your social media accounts may be compromised. Another sign of hacking, mysterious apps that appear out of nowhere. If you notice an unfamiliar app on your phone and you don't remember downloading it, that may be a sign a hacker has gained access to your device. It could be a fake app that won't do what it says. So check your App Store history to see if you downloaded the app in the past and forgot, and delete any apps you don't recognize from your device. If you think any of your accounts or logins have been compromised, change your passwords immediately. And if you believe your phone has been hacked, you should reset your device to factory settings. Click the link above to see our video on how to do that. The good news is, hacks are way less common than you might think, and they don't just happen spontaneously. Hackers can only gain access to your phone if you do something like click a bad link, open a sketchy attachment, or download an infected app. That's why it's so important to practice safe browsing, whether you're on your phone or any other connected device. Never click suspicious links, download unknown attachments, or send passwords or banking information to people you don't know. Click the link above for our video on more ways to avoid getting hacked. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.